Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you the best eSIM that you can get when you want to travel to Albania. Now it's important to have a good data that is going to allow you to find something on Google Maps or even find a restaurant or just watch some YouTube video. So in this video I'm going to present you the best way. The first way is using MyMobile eSIM provider, and MyMobile is in my opinion amazing company, and you're gonna have discount and everything down below in description. I personally use it. And what I like to do first is that I always come here and check the coverage. And I going to check the Albania coverage, or whenever I want to travel, define the Albania here, and then you're going to check like, okay, what is the actually coverage when I want to be there? Now, this is the first thing. The second thing is that how does it work is that in a search, you're going to write Albania. And here you're going to have Albania eSIM. And here you can choose between the 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, or 30 days of data. So let's say that you want to go for 15 days for 2 weeks to Albania. Here you're going to have 10 GB of data. So all you have to do is click here, activate now. And from me, with the discount, automatically when you're going to use the link down below in the description, you're going to get a 10% discount from me. So you're going to have the starting date, also how many days you want to be there, and a discount. So what will happen then is that when you're going to activate it, you will get a QR code to your email that you have to scan with your phone, and then you have to activate the eSIM. It's super simple. It's nothing difficult. And when you're going to do it, I created also a tutorial for you. You're going to have a link down below in the description on how you can activate the eSIM with MyMobile. And then you can use the data. So you can choose also the starting date, when the plan will start, and that's it. Another way what you can do is that you can use Airalo. And I use both of these because they are good. And here I'm going to write not Airalo but Albania. And I'm going to have local. So we're going to have 1 GB, 2 GB, 3 GB, 5 GB, or 10 GB of data. So we can choose which one you want. And the pricing is similar. So here 10 GB of data for 30 days is $26. Here for 30 days, when we compare it, it's $25. So with the Airalo, you're going to have option also to use their app, and the activation of the eSIM is very similar comparing to using a MyMobile. So we're going to have both discounts on both. If you're going to have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.